Married men, Allah has already blessed you with a woman who loves you, a caring, pious wife, the mother of your child. So don't ruin that by chasing what was never meant for you. It starts small, just a scroll, a like, a quick look. You tell yourself it's nothing serious, it's just online. But every time you stare at what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told you to lower your gaze from, you're not just losing focus, you're losing the barakah in your marriage. And what hurts most, you start comparing illusions to the woman who's been real since day one. The woman who stayed while life got heavy, who cooks for you, prays for you, and raises your child with love and sabr while you're scrolling past strangers who don't even know your name. Your wife is not perfect, but she's yours. She's the one who covers your flaws, who makes dua for you when no one is around, who sacrifices silently so your house feels like a home. Your phone might be bright, but your heart darkens every time you ignore what's already in front of you.